Hey Sagittarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Alright guys, so bottom of the deck I have the Magician. See what I'm saying? This person is trying to manifest you back into their life. They're trying to stay positive, but they're back and forth with the Eight of Cups. They don't want you to walk away from them, but they feel like you're gone, like you're done with them. But they know that they have to walk away from a situation. But see, they're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. They feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them because of whatever situation that they basically put themselves in. They chose over basically having something with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But yeah, this person is sad. I feel like they know by walking away from someone, they are going to take a financial hit. Because I'm remembering, I don't remember what month I did it. A lot of you, your person decided to be in a situation with someone else due to financial obligations. So they could have been like helping someone out financially. Somebody could have been giving to them financially. Maybe they could have gotten married. Now it's like they just stayed stuck in that codependent situation because of everything that they had tied in together. It was definitely a lot of like money surrounding your person and whoever they were dealing with. See, and this is why they're moving slow to come towards you. Because I feel like they are trying to end the situation. But in the meantime, y'all, they are keeping an eye on you. They're watching you. Not in a creepy way, but, you know, they're just watching you, trying to see, like, what you have going on, if you're happy, you know, if you're dealing with someone else. That, you know, but I really feel like they're noticing if they are spying on you, whether it's, like, social media or if you guys have mutual friends. They're asking about you, and they're just trying to see, like, okay, what does he or she have going on? But the feedback that they're getting or they're seeing for themselves is you guys are moving on. Y'all are like, you're okay. You're in this space where, you know what, whatever happened, I was upset with it, but it is what it is, and I'm moving on with my life. And they're noticing it because, see, with the Wheel of Fortune here, I'm telling you, this person, it's like they're still going through their lessons, guys, but they want to move forward with you, but right now they're not. They're not moving forward just yet because I'm telling you, they're trying to still get out of whatever this situation is. Tell me more. Yeah, look at that. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But this person here, they're confident. They're confident. They know who they want to be with, and it's you. They're coming. But see, I don't know why when I was getting ready to say something to you, but I'm really picking up they're trying to sneak away. They're really trying to get out of a situation here, but I am feeling like in the past, this person was just sneaky. They were being really, really sneaky towards you. But see, I'm telling you, yeah, they're trying to sneak away from the situation that they put themselves in because they do want things to improve with you. But it requires them to get out of a commitment, get out of a marriage. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus. Tell me more. In order to have a commitment with you, I'm telling you, I even feel like for some of you guys, they're keeping what they want with you a secret. Like, they're keeping it to themselves because whoever they're dealing with, they don't want them knowing anything about you or, like, their plans with you, because if they do, it's going to make matters worse. Because remember, I told you, it's something pertaining to finances here. So it's kind of like they know in their mind what they want to have with you, what they're going to do, but they're not breathing it to anyone at this point from what I'm picking up. Because they don't want it coming back to this other person. Because I'm telling you, they have to get out of a commitment or a marriage first, so that they can come towards you. Because you're the one that they're supposed to be with, and they know it. Tell me more. Yeah, so they made a decision. Three of Cups. They want to celebrate with you. Clarify the Three of Cups. Look at that. I'm telling you, they want to celebrate with you. They want to have a family with you. They want to be with you. I'm telling you, this person wants to marry you. They want to take things to the next level, but it requires them speaking their truth to, I feel like, both parties. They have to tell this person they're done. They want out.
they have to come back towards you to let you know what it is that they want. They have to tell you what happened. They have to beg and grovel, all of that, okay? But at the end of the day, they are going to come and speak their truth. Somebody's dealing with the Pisces here. See, they're no longer fighting themselves. And it's like they don't even want to argue. See, they're freeing themselves. I'm telling y'all now, whoever they were dealing with, whatever their situation is, friends, family, love interest, I'm telling y'all they're freeing themselves. They're becoming single. Mark my words, I'm telling you. There are some big shifts happening during Scorpio season. Look at that. This person isn't frustrated anymore. Because at one point they were scared that they lost you for good. They're not anymore. You know, look at that. You guys could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I feel like this person is just definitely making changes. They are. And see, they did make a decision here. Ooh, they want things to improve, but look at the king and the queen. You cannot make this up. You can't. Y'all, this is your soulmate. For some of you guys, it could be a twin flame situation. This person knows the truth about you. They know you're the person. The thing is, they have to cut off this other individual. They have to cut out other people, other behaviors. They have to let all of that go. And see, the thing is, they know you want to hear from them. If you haven't heard from them, they're planning on reaching out, but there is still a little bit of like nervousness on their end because they feel like you guys are going to go off on them. With the Queen of Swords, that's someone who's harsh, direct, to the point, cutthroat. Listen, they know you're not playing with them. They know this. They know. Look at that. So yeah, they are going to get advice from someone that they trust that's not going to breathe a word to anyone, okay, about their plans. They're trying to figure out how to come back towards you because they want to take this leap. See, look at that. The way the Lovers came out, this person loves you. I'm telling y'all, this is your person. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but this person is getting advice because they know that they caused an imbalance between the two of you in the past. But I'm telling you guys, this is being divinely guided. This is why I've been telling y'all time and time again. Y'all kept getting that worth waiting for card. Spirit was saying you had to have patience with this individual coming back because they were working on them. I'm telling y'all, this angel is guiding. They're bringing you two together. They're coming. Tell me more. Yep, they want to start over with you, Sagittarius. They want to build something with you. Tell me more. But see, every time they want to say something to you, they don't. Clarify the Knight of Wands reverse. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer. But, okay, I'm picking up two different things. So, the first thing I'm picking up, which is why I wanted clarification, this person was definitely in and out of your life a lot. This person definitely was being a player in the past. And this is why they're afraid that you may turn them down. This is why every time they do want to say something to you, they don't. But they want to move things forward with you. And they're going to come and tell you that. The other scenario that I'm picking up is that this person is trying to get out of some type of contract with whoever they've been dealing with, whether that's like a marriage contract or some type of like living arrangement or a business deal. It's something like that. Because I'm even feeling like for some of you guys, your person could be living with someone else. And if that's the case, they literally have to move, in order for you two to start the groundwork to rebuild. So take whatever fits your situation. They're afraid that you don't want to have this new beginning with them. And now they're sitting back, they're thinking, and they're reflecting on everything. This was their lesson. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, there's a Tower moment here. So there was definitely a shakeup, or there's going to be a shakeup, because some of this, I feel like a lot of this hasn't happened just yet. Clarify the Tower. Okay, that's them. Yeah, there's a shakeup that's going to take place, but that's also them, again, seeing the truth to situations, in the situation that they're in right now, and seeing the truth of the situation between the two of you, which is why they're not, I see them not being frustrated. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but yeah, they're healing. They're going to be healing here. and they're holding on to hope. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but you guys are looking at them like, I don't even know if I want to take this person back because of what they did to me in the past. But let me tell you something. Your justice was served. Karma hit them. Do you hear me? It did. And see, now, everything that they're going through, they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. They feel like the seeds that they planted with you is just not going to grow. They're not confident if you're going to take them back or not. I've been seeing apologies all day. This person is like thinking of how to come back towards you to apologize for their behavior, their actions, it all. But see, they're frustrated and they're feeling stuck. And this is why you're not hearing from them. They're not saying anything. Some of them feel stuck in a home situation. A lot of them feel like you don't even want to have a home with them, stability with them, because look, they left you out in the cold in the past. But see, this is them wanting to come back to give you that offer. The offer of love. And it's overflowing. And see, they're using their intuition now. All day today. And y'all are what? Sign number 7? I have been seeing 11-11 back to back just like this all day long. I can't make it up. There is a big shift taking place during Scorpio season, and I am here for it, okay? They're using their intuition. Okay, that's the second time the Page of Pentacles tried to come out, but it keeps trying to jump out reverse. This person is definitely in some type of codependent situation, and that's why they're feeling stuck. Tell me more. But they're manifesting. Told you they're trying to stay positive. They're wanting to have a new beginning with you. Look at that. But the way the Ace of Pentacles came, I'm telling you, they want to give you the offer that you deserve, the one that you've been waiting for, everything that you should have got in the beginning. But at the same time, they're afraid you're just not going to take it. And this is why they're not putting in the work. Didn't I tell y'all? Look at that. I'm telling you, they're stuck in a codependent situation, and it does have something revolving around money. See all these pentacles? They're not content in the situation that they're in. They're not content with their finances. They're feeling like financially things may not improve. They're afraid things may not improve with you, and they don't even know what to do. But there is communication coming in. But see, I told you, they're afraid you're going to reject their offer. And this is why they're not saying anything at all. They're tight-lipped, wearing a mask. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Sagittarius. If I have to say this again, this is your person, okay? This is your person. This is your person. Soulmate, twin flame energy, hands down. This is your person. The thing is, you guys are both sad, but whoever messed up, they're hiding it. They're keeping it to themselves. And because it's like they know that they hurt you. They know that they need to speak up. Lord, get on my nerves. Alright. But see, they have to let something go. They have to let this situation go first before they come in. That's how they're thinking. But they're afraid they took so long that you're going to let them go. You dropped them. See? And that's why they want to rush in. But see, they were being very immature, very childish towards you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. But see, they broke your heart because of this third-party situation, but they're going to walk away from it in order to have a new beginning with you. I can't make this up. They want to balance things out with you. They choose you. But see, they feel like there's no balance right now in their current situation. I'm telling you, this person is worried about their finances because they feel like this person could try to take from them. And they're having a hard time right now. Tell me more. Yeah. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. I feel like whoever they're dealing with, this person is very controlling. Whether it's love interest, family, whoever. They're very controlling. And I feel like they're trying to break free from this person in order to give you the offer. But that's why I feel like there's such a big focus on finances for them right now. But also, they know that they want to give you the offer, but at the same time, they're hoping that you've healed from everything that they put you through. Because I'm seeing that they did stab you in the back a few times. So they made a decision. I don't even like how that came out. I'm not even going to take that. They made a decision, but they're frustrated. Because they took too long. That's how they're thinking. Yeah, they had you waiting. But they're coming out of worrying, but see, at the same time, they're not happy. They're not happy at all, and they can't sleep. because they do want to work things out with you. They want to turn things around. It's like 1 minute they have the strength to come towards you, but the next minute they don't. Could be dealing with a Leo. But there is communication coming in, Sagittarius. See? Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius, but at the same time, even though there's communication coming in to have a new start, to have this new beginning, they're afraid you're not going to take it because they didn't balance things out.